Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to print out sheets in Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application here right now. I'm currently signed in into my freshly created brand new account, which I've created only for these videos. What I want to do is choose a file, choose a sheet which I want to print out. I say this no, click on these three dots right next to it, and here I want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see a thing called print. Click on that, and you can edit your sheet here and customize it fully. And after you're selected the printer which you want to print it with, you can just send the print button in the top right corner. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.